Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Lambda functions, also known as anonymous functions, are concise and powerful tools in Python for creating small, unnamed functions on the fly. They are often used for short-term operations where a full function definition seems excessive. Lambda functions are defined using the lambda keyword and are particularly handy when you need a simple function for a short period. The basic syntax of a lambda function is as follows. Let's start with a simple example of a lambda function that calculates the square of a number. In this example, lambda functions are useful in situations where a small, one-time function is needed. Common use cases include: lambda functions provide a concise way to create small, anonymous functions in Python. While they are not meant to replace named functions for more complex tasks, they are invaluable for quick operations and are commonly used in combination with higher-order functions like sorted, filter, and map. ChatGPT